Introducing AWE's new exhaust suite for the 2022 and up Volkswagen Mark 7.5 Jetta GLI. Available as Sophisticated, Drone-Free Touring Edition, or more Unleashed Track Edition. Touring Edition features AWE's proprietary drone-canceling 180 technology, featuring a slip-fit inlet adapter for perfect factory downpipe fitment while leaving an open 3-inch connection. This fantastic exhaust suite is dyno-proven for max gains of 4 horsepower and 8 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. It's handcrafted from 3-inch and 2.5-inch CNC mandrel bent US source T304L stainless steel with a .065-inch wall thickness. 18 pounds of weight savings over stock with the Track Edition, and 9 pounds of weight savings with the Touring Edition. 5-inch double-walled tips available in chrome, silver, or diamond black. Whether you want the more relaxed yet sport Touring Edition or the fully unleashed power of the Track, it's an easy swap. Proudly engineered, designed, and manufactured in-house at AWE in the United States. Directly bolt-on for factory-like simplicity, this exhaust will fit perfectly. Guaranteed. Clean, straight-through design maximizes performance. AWE also guarantees you'll have no check engine lights. And being backed by AWE's lifetime warranty, you can breathe easy knowing that your exhaust will give you many smiles per gallon. The Touring with that 180 tech really doesn't drone at all, and it is just fantastic sounding at the same time. It's like the best of both worlds. Now the Track, on the other hand, completely opens it up. It sounds way louder, but it's not ear-piercing, which is nice, and it's still got a really good tone and grumble. So it gives you what you want without giving you a ton of obnoxious noise. The Track sounds pretty gnarly. The AWE catback for the Mark 7 and 7.75 GLI is now available at Eurotuning. Get yours today.